Well, making a little bit of progress with the back of the frame. I got the pieces I made up all fit and welded in. Get all my rough grinding done. And basically these were multiple pieces. This here is one piece. This here was one piece. There's another piece in here. And then this whole side piece here. Back there. Yeah, this whole side piece here was another piece. So this is all welded here. And then this piece here is all welded along the seam here. And I know grinding welds takes a lot of the structure out of them. So what I did was I made all this, I got it all fitted, tack welded on the outside, and while this inner piece was still off, I went in and I welded the whole back side of this weld, and then I welded this whole seam here from the inside. And then when I took this piece here, this inner piece, I fit it all and I tacked it together and then pulled it back out and fully welded this on the inside and then welded this. Then put it back in, and then that's when I welded this outside here. So this is the only one that's just a weld on the outside, where everything else here, 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 and here is all welded inside and outside. So, and this material is almost twice as thick as the factory frame. So it should make it pretty strong. And then you'll see my line here. And that's where I'm going to cut the old frame out now. So this gives you a little better visual on where I'm going with this. And then this gives me that much more room to mount that suspension up inside here. So do another checkup video once I get this all cut out and start fitting the rear end. Thanks for watching.